One of the reasons beginners fail in pig farming is choosing the wrong location. Before you buy your pigs, before you build anything, location matters the most. First thing you need to check is access. Easy transport for your feeds, your animals. If you can't access your farm easily, farming becomes stressful. Next is water. There are some locations, because of rocks, it will be easy for you to be able to drill and get good water. And pigs need water. A pig can drink up to 10 liters of water a day. Then think about your neighbors. Pigs smell, they make noise. Forget what people say. No matter how much you clean your pen, sometimes in the night it smells. Pigs make noise when you don't feed them on time, when you're trying to transport them, they make a lot of noises. So if you build your farm in a residential area, there will be complaints. And when there's too much complaint, authorities will come. Think about security. Is that area good? Is it safe? Do you have good rapport with your neighbors? Even though it's going to be in a remote area, there are still going to be people living in the community. So you have to make sure that there's good security, your animals are safe. Also check for drainage. A place that floods during rainy season is going to turn pig pens into a mess. Wet pens cause sickness and losses. I've seen a farm before in a foreign country. It flooded and so many pigs died. This kind of thing you can't know just by seeing. So that's why you have to go with an expert. They will check the land for you. And even before buying the land, go with a surveyor. Let them chart the land to check if it's free from government acquisition. Then have a lawyer. Sign a proper agreement. Even if you have a family receipt, unless you trust the family, and for legal reasons you can't trust anyone. Before pigs, before pens, choose land wisely. A good location makes farming easy. It will be sweet, to be enjoying your money. But a bad location makes it feel like war. That's why you see people complaining. And before you start, seek knowledge. Be willing to invest in yourself. Protect your investments. Thank you for watching, and watch out for Day 5.